everyone, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Baddies and the Bae. What's up? How's the stuffing going? How's everything going with you guys? I am blessed. I'm feeling amazing as always, and it's always a pleasure to be here with you guys. It is always a pleasure to make videos for you guys. So today, you know how we do it. We normally start it off with a positive quote, which today's positive quote is, "You are worthy of happiness." Amen. You are always worthy of happiness. Never let anyone strip the happiness from you. And no matter what you're going through, just try to be happy. I know that life can get real tough sometimes, but the happier you are, the better it is for your body, mind, and soul. Always remember that. We are about to stuff our 100 envelope box with $480. So I am really excited. You can only imagine how excited I am. So let's get into the stuffing. Y'all know how I already do my 100 envelope box. For you guys, if you are new here, I stuff my 100 envelope box with $20 only. So let's get into the stuffing. Today you're getting $480 stuffed inside of you. I can't wait until the day comes when I'm unstuffing your little cute self. So let's get the counting first. Let's actually put that to the side a little bit and let's get into counting. I have my calculator here. Let's get to the counting. I'm gonna go ahead and separate my money. So we're separating our 20s from our 10s and from our 5s. Okay, so for 20s, let's count the cash. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So we have $200 in 20s. For 10s, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's another 200. That's 400. And then we have, should be $80 here. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. I know some of them are like turned upside down, but I just don't have, y'all, when I'm unstuffing is when I will organize these things. Okay, I just can't right now. So here's our box and we are going to get into our stuffing. So let's get the job done. So it's $480. So let's see how many envelopes we're going to need. 480 divide 20, 24 envelopes. So let's get our 24 envelopes first and then we can just put the cash in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So here is our 24 envelopes that we will be stuffing with cash today. So let's get it jumping. And at the same time, I could just do a little story time for y'all. I don't know, I feel like I suck with story time, honestly, but we'll see how it goes. So I actually wanted to talk about this video that I seen. There's this guy on YouTube. What he does is he literally, I have to talk about it because I feel like we do take for granted our life sometimes, and we just have to understand that there are people out here that are literally going through worse things than we are. Not saying that your problem doesn't matter, but I'm just saying. So there's this guy on YouTube. I think his channel is called Soft White Underbelly. I don't know if you guys have ever watched his channel before, but it's called Soft White Underbelly. And basically what he does is he has a studio in LA where he literally just interviews homeless people, interview people who, you know, people who are homeless, people who are doing drugs, those type of things. I watched his I sat down and watched the first video by him, and I'm telling you guys that tears completely came to my eyes. And a lot of these people, drug addicts and like people who were on his channel that he were interviewing, a lot of them were like kids, 13 years old, 14 years old. and I'm telling you guys, like, you cannot watch it and not feel extremely grateful for your life if you really have never been through certain situations before. And I know, like, we all be complaining sometimes about some really simple stuff, which for me it's like I don't even want to complain about those things no more, because seeing what a lot of people have to go through, you know, not selecting the life, but like their parents weren't present in their life, and you know, certain paths they had to take to survive. It's crazy to me, and it really breaks my heart. I can't stop watching the channel because not only does he have like drug addicts and stuff, he has like a mixture of different type of people. And I'm telling you guys, like, it's very much heartbreaking for me. Like, if you watch it, I guarantee you guys, like, if you didn't have a rough life growing up, or you know, wasn't abused, wasn't molested, etc., you know, you'll be grateful for the life you live. To be honest, you probably won't even be complaining so much anymore. I've seen so many interviews with so many kids, and that's what really gets me. There's a story about a girl who, she's actually 13, and in LA there's this, I guess there's this street called Figueroa, where all they do there is, you know, adult stuff. I get to realize from watching his video that there is literally a lot of kids on those streets, and it breaks my heart very much to see how fast these kids have to grow up. Like, they literally have to grow up real fast. And what I do realize is the majority of what causes them to be in this situation is life at home, you know, not having a stable home, not getting attention and love from their parents, or having parents that are addicts or in prison, etc. Me having a 1-year-old daughter, it scares me so much. It makes me very much aware, like even more aware of my surroundings, and even more aware of the people who I bring my daughter around. Because hearing these type of stories, a lot of people were molested by, you know, family member. This thing happened in their homes. It scares me. And if any one of you guys who are watching this video has ever been through, you know, molestation or abuse or any type of situation like that, I'm so sorry that happened to you. Literally, like, I am so sorry that you had to face something like that. And I pray to God to give you strength and guidance. And if you're still currently in a situation like that, I do pray that you get out of it. You know, my heart goes out to all of you guys, because from my standpoint, I've never been molested before. I've never been an addict. No one in my family is an addict, you know, so that type of lifestyle I'm not exposed to. So to really see it happening for real, it's like real scary. I don't know, if I was rich or something, I'm sure like I would definitely want to help those girls, you know, to be honest. And the guy who has the channel, he helps them with trying to get them off the street. But you know, when you are so addicted to something, it's like it's an addiction for you. You know, you keep going back, or you keep doing the, you know, the drug or whatever it is that you're addicted to. It's hard to get out of it, and it's sad. It brings tears to my eyes to hear these people share their stories. And I don't know, it's like, my God, it's heartbreaking. It's like we have to be more grateful for our life, especially if we've never been through certain situations, because a lot of people out here are going through so much. And the thing is, we see people every day, but we never know what they're going through, you know. Or we watch YouTubes and we see people do cash stuffing, and we see people in our environment and we never really know what they're going through, you know. So it's like, have a heart. Me personally, whenever I go on the streets and I see homeless people and I see, you know, like, show empathy. Because a lot of people like to say that, you know, sometimes when you see the homeless people and stuff, you know, they're trying to use you for money, or, you know, nothing's wrong with them, whatever. But if so be the case, that's just what it is, because I'm always gonna try to help if I can, you know, because I don't know your story and I don't know what you're going through, and I can't just assume, you know, that it's a lie. I feel like we as society, we need to do a little better with that. Even though some of them really do be playing with us and be lying about certain things, I feel like we should definitely be more, you know, like I'm saying, you never know what people going through, you know. I have a lot of love for those type of people. I've always been the type of person to have love for people on the streets. I don't know their story, you know. You don't know what they go through. I get that a lot of them try to hustle us, but you never know which ones are hustling us and which ones are not, and you can't really judge, you know what I mean? Like, I can't really judge it. I mean, the channel is such a great, like, channel to show you, like, you know, what's going on in other people's life, and you know what the struggles that people go through. I really like the guy who runs the channel, because he's trying to help these people, and he's actually a guy that's very successful. You know, he didn't have to be there and doing stuff like this, because not only does he interview them, he'll set up GoFundMe for them, and he'll try to get them apartments and, you know, try to take them out of that lifestyle. But it's hard when someone's addicted, you know, because it's a battle. And I know there's probably a lot of you guys on the channel who have been through certain, probably similar situations before, or, you know, have struggled with addiction and everything, and you guys are strong, I have to say. And if you are able to pull through, and even if you haven't been able to pull through and you have made, you know, a lot of hiccups in the way, I just want you to know that you are strong and you are worth it, and you can pull through anything that you put your mind to. So put your mind to it and get yourself out of it. And girl, you are blessed. You're a beautiful guy. You are blessed. You are beautiful. You can do it. Okay? You can definitely do it. I have a lot of empathy for you guys. A lot of love for people who don't have love. Because I've never really been, you know, experience not having love, or I feel for y'all, honestly. So here are my 24 envelopes. You guys should definitely check out the channel. Definitely check it out. It's really heartbreaking stories and everything, and it's good to get like a view of what other people really be going through, you know. So here's my little box. We're gonna go ahead and, oh no, I mixed them up. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and add our envelopes to our box. We're almost done. Y'all see that? Wait, I think I only have 70 something. I need to add some more envelopes in here actually. But we're getting there. We'll be there pretty soon. I cannot wait to complete this and do like the unstuffing video. I'm so excited for that. I'm literally waiting for the day to get this done and do my unstuffing. Oh my god. So there we have it, our 100 envelope box stuffed. Let's put our sticker to part what's left. Oh, so now the sticker can't even fit. Okay, girl. Okay, so there we have it, 100 envelope box stuffed with $480. And it was great being here and doing another video for you guys. I love you guys so much, as y'all already know, and continue to stuff. Be strong if you're going through anything in life. Just continue to hold your head up. Just continue to be a strong person that you are, and push and fight through anything that you're going through. And remember, you are beautiful.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count